What's going on, guys? So we have done a lot of planning on the manual swap. We have our plan of attack and we're ready to start. So before we actually start ripping the car apart, we do have to kind of prepare the car to start working on it. So the first thing we're going to need to do is get it up in the air. So I have a bunch of jack stands, I have a bunch of wheel ramps there. I am going to be putting the jack stands on wood on top of the wheel ramps just to get some extra height because I have to carry a bunch of film equipment down there with me to film the DIY series. That being said, the first manual swap I did, I only used the jack stands on the front and the wheel ramps on the back. This thing does not need to be sky high to be able to do this job. Getting it up in the air enough to be able to climb under it and drag a transmission under it is more than enough. Alright, so now we got the car completely in the air. I do have it on the ramps and the jack stands. My jack wasn't high enough to put the wood underneath it. Kind of sketchy. So we threw some wheels and tires underneath. Wheels and tires on the car just for added stability. Now the last thing we need to do to basically prepare the car is disconnect the battery. Because we're going to be messing with the computer and I'm going to be replacing the starter, I do not want any current running through any of the lines to prevent any electrical issues down the road, so we're just going to go ahead and disconnect the battery. Alright, so we are going to disconnect the negative battery terminal. That guy's a simple little 13. And once he's off, I'm going to wrap a rag around him and we're going to stuff him down there so he doesn't have a chance to come back and touch that guy. And that's about it. Sedan's ready for operation. Thank you guys so much for watching. Keep it fresh and I will see you guys later.